In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display coordinates in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to quickly confirm where something is located in your drawing, coordinates are your best friend. AutoCAD gives you two simple ways to check them: a one-time readout for a single point, and a live display that updates as you move your cursor. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, let's grab the coordinates of a single point. Click into the drawing window so it's active, then type ID on your keyboard and press Enter. AutoCAD is now waiting for you to pick a point. Move your mouse to the exact spot you care about, an endpoint, an intersection, or anywhere in open space, and click once. Look down at the command line area. You'll see the point's coordinates printed there, typically as X, Y, and Z values. In most 2D drawings, Z will be 0, so focus on X and Y. This method is great when you just need a precise location to note or to share, and it doesn't place anything new in your drawing. It simply reports the numbers. Now, if you want a live readout that updates as you move the mouse, there's a quick setting for that. Type coords and press Enter. When AutoCAD prompts for a value, press 1, then press Enter again to confirm. You've just turned on the live coordinate display. Move your cursor around inside the drawing area and watch the status bar at the bottom of the screen. You should see the coordinate values continuously changing as the cursor moves. This is perfect for orienting yourself, estimating distances on the fly, and verifying that your pointer is where you expect it to be before placing geometry. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you use these tools. If you don't see the numbers after using the ID command, widen or unminimize the command line so the output is visible. The format of the coordinates respects your drawing's unit settings, so the decimals and units you see are based on how the file is configured. And remember, the live display doesn't snap to objects unless you deliberately use object snaps. It simply tracks the cursor's position, so be sure to click when you're exactly on the point you need. That's all there is to it. Use ID when you need a single precise location, and chords set to 1 when you want a constant live readout. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!